Let me tell you a secret. You don't need to be a genius to look like one, especially at work. When I started learning Excel tricks, my goal wasn't to impress anyone. I just wanted to stop struggling with reports. But then something funny happened. I used a simple formula to automate a task, built a clean dashboard to summarize numbers, and when I sent it to my boss, he replied with one word: brilliant. The truth is, Excel isn't just a spreadsheet tool. It's a cheat code for respect. If you know how to use it right, most people still type manually, copy-paste endlessly. But a few smart workers, they use pivot tables, conditional formatting, charts, and formulas to let the sheet work for them. You don't need to learn everything, just a few smart moves. And suddenly, people notice. Your emails get replies faster. Your opinions get heard. Your boss starts seeing you as the sharp one. So if you want to stand out without staying late, learn these Excel skills. They don't just save time, they upgrade your image.